जय जय स्वामी विवेकानंदा, जय जय स्वामी विवेकानंदा, जय वीरेश्वर भास्कर, जय जय स्वामी विवेकानंदा, आशुतोष शिवजय सुखकंद, विभुवर पावन नर नारायण, विमल बोध धन ब्रह्मपरायण, जय जय स्वामी विवेकानंदा, जय जय स्वामी विवेकानंदा. Good morning to all present here, honorable judges, guests, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear brothers and sisters. I Sarang Tanpure from class 7th and Avengers House member. Why we remembered 9/11 as a World Trade Center attack? We just remember it as attack, but it is a Vishwa Hindu Parishad at Chicago of Swami Vivekananda. To declaim a great speech by a Swami Vivekananda at Chicago on 11 September 1893. Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy and unspeakable to rise in the response and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you to the mother of religion. I thank you to the millions and millions of people of Hindu of all classes and sects. The birth of this legend, Swami Vivekananda, born as Narendra Datta on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. From beginning, he was very playful in nature, and he was curiosity, fearless, and intelligence. Let me share one most inspiring moment in his childhood. Once a day, Narendra and his friend was playing near a big tree. An elder person told them, "Don't play there, there is a ghost on a tree." All children are scared except Narendra. He told that, "Let me see where is the ghost on tree." He climbed up and sat for there an hour. When he came down, he told everyone, "There is no ghost on the tree, it is only our fear." He believed in seeking the truth and facing the challenges. Once he asked his mentor Ramakrishna Paramhans that, "Have you ever seen God?" They replied, "If you want to see God, you just serve the poor, hunger one and needy. That is the greatest worship for the God." This lesson makes the foundation of Swami Vivekananda in his future mission. Swami Vivekananda has a passion for reading. Due to his passion for reading, he could read one book in one day. He believed that focus can face the overcome challenges. We celebrate Swami Vivekananda Jayanti as a International Youth Day also. Swami Vivekananda often said that youth are creator in their own destiny. Swami Vivekananda advised that be fearless, be hard worker, and help others. At last, I would like to say that the quote of Swami Vivekananda: "Never say no, never say I cannot for your infinite, never say no, never say I cannot for your infinite. All things are within you, you can do anything. All things are within you, you can do anything." Thank you all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.